Good morning to all students. This is the cryptography and network security class. Let us start the class for today. In this class, we need to consider how the data is stored inside the computer uh, and how much it is secured from the unauthorized access. As the data is traveling from one computer to another computer in a network, it is needed to be protected from the transit, from the capturing of data by the unauthorized opponent. Once the data is captured by the unauthorized opponent, it is compromised and it is not useful for the organization. That's why it is needed to be protected. First of all, we need to consider the basic things, that is computer security, network security, and internet security. What is meant by computer security means it is the generic name for collection of tools designed to protect data and to thwart hackers. Inside the computer, the data is there. How it is going to be protected? That is nothing but the and how the computer is protected from the unauthorized access. That is nothing but the computer security. And the second one, which is nothing but the network security, how data is protected during their transmission between one computer to another computer. And next one is the internet security, how the data is protected during the transmission over a collection of interconnected networks. These three things we need to consider regarding the cryptography and network security. First of all, we need to know what is meant by cryptography. What is the concept of cryptography? Cryptography means it is nothing but coding and decoding of information. Coding and decoding of information. The word cryptography is taken from the subject, that is cryptology. Cryptology is nothing but the study of encoding and decoding of information. Regarding the cryptology, we need to consider the positive branch, that is cryptography, and the negative branch, that is the cryptanalysis. If cryptography is there, compulsory the cryptanalysis is also there. Cryptography, what is the definition of cryptography means? It is nothing but the art or science encompassing the principles and methods of transferring an intelligible message into one that is unintelligible and then retransforming that message back to its original form. That is the definition of cryptography. It is nothing but the science encompassing the principles and methods. A message, an intelligible message, is needed to be transformed into unintelligible message, and the unintelligible message is transferred to the recipient from the sender. Again, the unintelligible message is needed to be retransformed at the recipient side. That is nothing but the cryptography. And we need to consider the basic terms regarding the cryptography. The first basic term we need to consider, the first important term we need to consider regarding the cryptography is the plain text. The plain text is the important one. Why? Because it is the message, intelligible message, which is needed to be transferred from sender to the recipient. And the next important term regarding the cryptography is the ciphertext. At the sender side, the intelligible message, that is the plain text, is transformed into unintelligible form, which is known as the ciphertext. It is the transformation is done at the sender side, and the transformed message is passing from sender to the recipient. that is in the transit, there exists the transformed message. And the conversion of intelligible message into unintelligible message is done by using some critical information, that is nothing but the key. A key and the plain text is given as input to a particular transformation which generates a transformed message, and the transformed message is known as the ciphertext. The transformation, there is another name for transformation, that is known as encipherment or encryption. The process which is done in order to transform an intelligible message into an unintelligible one is nothing but encryption or encipherment, which is done at the center side. And the retransformation of the unintelligible message into intelligible message by using the key is done at the recipient side, and it is known as the decipherment or decryption. These are the basic things we need to consider regarding the cryptography. If we want to discuss about the algorithms of cryptography, we need we compulsory need to know these particular basic concepts, basic terms. And next, we need to consider the negative branch, that is cryptanalysis. What is meant by cryptanalysis means the data or the message which is passing in the transit. That is the message which is transferred from sender to the recipient. In order to transfer the message, the sender uses a communication channel to transfer the message to the recipient. At the sender, there is no concept of compromisation of the message. At the recipient, there is no compromisation of message. Where the message is compromised means during its transmission. During its transmission, we need to protect the message which is passing in the transit so that it is not compromised by the opponent. The attempt which is made by the opponent is nothing but cryptanalysis. The cryptanalysis, the person who implements the cryptanalysis is nothing but cryptanalysis is nothing but cryptanalyst or opponent or hacker or cracker. There are so many names. The cryptanalyst either wants to acquire the message which is passing at that time, or he wants to know the key which is used by the sender and recipient always to perform the encryption and decryption process. By this, I am ending the class for today. Let us stop the class for today. In the next class, I will continue the concept.